Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Nyandarua County. I'm your host Susan and we are with the Team Constructions, the number one Precast construction agency. But today I want to surprise you because we are building our commercial project with normal bricks. Behind me, this is our commercial building with 2 shops, 3 one-bedrooms and 4 bedsitters. So I just want to show you what is currently happening. We are currently on the roofing part of it, so let's take a look at what is happening. So this is it, our commercial building made of normal bricks. So we have our shop number 1 right here. As you can see, everything is work in progress. We have not removed our scaffolding. Then we have our shop number 2 right here, very big, massive. Yeah, I think it would be a big business. Then right here we have the entry porch, if I can call it that. On the right we have the 1-bedrooms, and on the left side we have the bedsitters. So these are the bedsitters and these are the 1-bedrooms. Right here we have the common toilet for the shops. And then let me just show you the bedrooms. So this is bedroom number 1. Is it bedroom number 1? No, this is our 1-bedroom number 1. This is the sitting space. Then right here we have our kitchen space, still work in progress. Then this is our bedroom space for our 1-bedroom house, and then this is the bathroom space for this particular house. So that is one. Let me take you to the second one. So just bear with me. This is our first commercial house. Then this is our second 1-bedroom house right here. As you can see, this is the sitting room space. Then this is the kitchen space right here, and then we have our bedroom space right here, work in progress. And then we have our bathroom space right here. Then let me show you the third one. So this is our third 1-bedroom space. This is the sitting room area, very big and spacious, as you can see. Then this is our kitchen space. I'm sure you're going to like it more once we do the finishes. Then this is the bedroom space, and then this is the bathroom space for this particular room. Now let me show you how the bedsitters look like and how many they are. Like I told you, they are 4 in number. So this is our bedsitter number 1 right here. It's big and spacious enough. Like I told you, it's just made of normal bricks. We usually do precast, but this is a special project, and this is the bathroom space for this bedsitter. Then let me show you our bedsitter number 2. This is our bedsitter number 2, just the same as the first one. And then this is the bathroom space for this bedsitter. Then to the other one right here is our 3rd bedsitter. Actually, they are very big. You just tell us in the comment section what you think about them. And then this is our bathroom space for bedsitter number 3. And then the last one, it's also the same as the rest of them. So this is our bedsitter number 4. Big, spacious enough, and it's also the same as bedsitter 1, 2, 3, and now this is the last one. So this is the bathroom space for this particular bedsitter. So guys, this is the current project report in our project in Nyandarua County. Please don't forget to follow us at Bedsitters Constructions for more updates on this particular project and more other projects that we are working on in different counties. Bedsitters Constructions, building the future one panel at a time. Keep it up.